In today's video, we'll be going through our truck tailgate light. Stay tuned. We offer our truck tailgate light in both 48 and 60 inches, so it fits the mid-size and the full-size trucks. So in the box, you get your truck tailgate light, removable mounting clips if you want to use those, quick splices if you're tapping into the taillights instead of using the 4-pin plug, an XKGLOW sticker, and mounting instructions. Installation of the bar is super simple. On the back side of each tube, there's double-sided tape, so you just clean the mounting surface and stick it up. If you're just plugging into the 4-pin trailer plug, all you need to do is plug it in, use one of the included Scotch locks to tap into the reverse wire, and then secure any loose wiring, and that's it. If you're wanting to keep that 4-pin trailer plug, you can get a splitter, or you can cut the plug off and tap directly into the taillight wires using the included Scotch locks. We also do have a CVT option in both lengths for those trucks with trailer detection and blind spot monitoring. The only difference between our regular bars and our CVT bars is the wiring. On our CVT bars, there is an additional red wire that needs to go directly to a 12-volt source. So it's not taking any power directly from the taillights or from the 4-pin plug. This fools the system and does away with any error codes that may arise with other options. All right, so here we have running lights. Here is the brake light. Back to running lights, brake light. Back to running lights. Here is the sequential turn signal. So the left or the right side will sequence outward. Back to running lights. Turn the running lights off. And then here's the reverse lights. And running with reverse. And that's our truck tailgate light. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with XKGLOW. We'll see you next time.